A cinematic layout usually feels immersive because every layer adds controlled depth. Today, how to explore immersive frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert one wide rectangular frame and place your image inside, adjusting the crop carefully for dramatic focus. Duplicate the frame several times, enlarging each layer slightly while lowering opacity to build smooth layered depth behind the subject. Add one smaller overlapping frame for contrast and variation. Select the background and apply a dark muted gradient to enhance atmosphere. Add subtle blur and shadow effects to increase realism without overwhelming the composition. Use position tools to organize stacking